Maddie, good question. What is a good two-place trailer? Move It, Triton, Yacht Club, Magnum. Brand-wise, they're almost all the same. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've encountered some real stinkers, but I recommend personally, if you can afford it, get aluminum. All right. I don't care if it's a Triton trailer. I don't care if it's Move It. I don't care if it's Yacht Club. I really recommend a torsion bar suspension over leaf spring, torsion bar suspension, aluminum trailer. That might tighten up your search a little bit. Okay. I'm not going to throw out brands because I honestly haven't had them all. But build-wise, aluminum, torsion bar suspension. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.